Hello.
Another hiking Friday.
Yep, we
in the Mount Adams wilderness.
Yeah, we are at Council Lake.
Oh, it's so beautiful. Just look at it.
Wow. Yeah, but we are hiking up to Council Bluff. We're hiking up to 5,128 feet, and we are going to be going about 3 miles and 900 feet. So
just a quick little hike before we go scout out a campsite for the weekend.
Yep.
So
hopefully Tackalack. But
yeah, let's get this adventure started.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's do this.
First impressions of the trail is rocky, lots of ruts, probably from rain, and there's also motorcycle tracks, so that probably adds to it too, but nothing too bad.
It's a beautiful day for a climb, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Straight up, man.
It's pretty good.
Yeah. You need your old man hiking poles yet?
Oh, give me my order back.
For your 46-year-old body?
Oh God.
Oh. Yesterday was this guy's birthday. That guy right there. He's 46, so now he thinks he's got to hobble around. Happy birthday.
Not that funny. You'll get there one day.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh. Alright. We made it. Council Lake down there.
Oh my gosh.
Right.
Oh. Oh, look at that big cliff wall.
Yeah. Whoa, that's a long way down. Barely see. Not Rainier. Yeah, the road up there. That's where we started. Right down there.
We made it to the top.
Yeah. Holy cow.
Holy moly. What a beautiful, beautiful spot.
We get almost 360-degree views up here. It's amazing.
Oh my gosh, it's a little hazy from the smoke, but
Yeah, from the Goat Rocks fire.
it's so beautiful.
Wow.
Look at that mountain in the background.
Yeah.
I mean, jeez.
Amazing.
Did about 1.5 miles. It took us 51 minutes, 876-foot elevation climb.
Pretty good.
Not bad. Just a lot of, like Brian said, uneven terrain from the rocks and stuff like that, but
Yeah.
pretty good.
Wow.
So pretty.
Wow. All right, let's do a time lapse.
Yeah, let's do that.
Right now. Right now. Go. Go. Beep! Oh. Almost died here at the bluff. All right.
All right, we are done here. We spent like 40 minutes up here.
Bye.
I think
So amazing.
this. Down we
Alright.
go. See if we can do it in a half an hour.
Oh, that'd be cool. All right. See you at the bottom. All right, we are back at the truck and we are done.
Done.
How about a
Quick little hike, 3.1 miles, 926 elevation.
yeah, just enough
Oh,
to
the views.
get the
So
back wet.
pretty. Views are beautiful.
Yep.
Can't beat it.
Yeah.
All right, well, now we are off to go try to find a campsite for the weekend.
Yep.
So-
should be fun.
All right,
Look
well,
for that video soon.
yes. All right, well, thank you for joining us on this edition of our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you on the next video.
Peace out.
Deuces.
Bye.
Bye.
What word am I trying to use? Ruts. Ruts. There it is. Let me know in the comments which way is the best. This way or this way?
All right, we made it to. Oh, sorry.
I'll give it a couple seconds before it starts recording.
All right,
Okay, now.
we made it to the top.
Yeah. Gus, we gotta say goodbye to the viewers.
Oh, well, no, we'll say bye in a little while.
Okay,
We're
we'll
saying
get
bye
yeah.
Bye for now.
I think I see the truck right down there.